Hello! Today's microlearning will be how to install and load the Wickr plugin for ATAK onto your device. A prerequisite to loading the plugin is to have a production version of ATAK and the Wickr Enterprise or AWS Wickr application both operational on the device. As a potential user, you will either go to the Google Play Store to pull Wickr for ATAK, or the Android package, APK, will be provided directly to you by your Wickr network admin. If you do go the Google Play Store route, .civ package is what is available. .mil is only available via proper authorization via ATAK.gov. After successful installation and loading of the Wickr plugin into ATAK, you will now need to pair the two applications, ATAK and Wickr. Clicking Wickr plugin will open up the UI and show a drop-down where you can select the tier of Wickr you were specifically on, Wickr Enterprise or AWS Wickr. And that same drop-down to select the tier of Wickr you are using sits above the Pair Wickr button. Depending on the screen size, you might have to scroll down to see the Pair Wickr button. After selecting the correct tier of Wickr you want, click Pair Wickr button and you will see a Wickr notification pop up and prompt you to review the API access. Click on the notification pop-up. Or, if the notification does not appear, then you can open up your Wickr Enterprise or your AWS Wickr client on your Android device, and while in-app, go to Settings, Connected Apps, and then click Approve for the pending ATAK pairing in the Wickr application UI. Once you hit Approve in the Wickr UI, you should see Success. You've successfully connected Wickr to Wickr ATAK plugin. Once paired, if you have existing conversations within the native Wickr application, those will be reflected within the Wickr ATAK plugin. You will see Contacts as the first plugin screen view. You have now successfully paired the ATAK and Wickr applications and can now use the Wickr plugin to start chatting and collaborating while not having to leave the ATAK screen. That is today's microlearning. Thank you.